Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist. Even though this kitty has a triangular shaped face, I started off with a circle just to kind of get things in the right place, and we'll refine it as we go. A cute little paw. And this kitty's kind of laying on one of those shelves on a cat tree. Just feeling my way around and getting everything right. Not perfect, but right. But convincing, I guess, is the word. Gesture of a kitty. Go easy on those eye lines first to make sure I get them in the right place. Then we can start darkening things up. Gotta sharpen the pencil. I love this kind of exotic triangular faced kitty. Or Siamese shape, I guess. We're going 4 times the speed, and I'm voicing over, and pretty soon I'm going to speed up to 8 times the speed to get this drawing finished. Those tabby stripes, classic M on the forehead. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment below. Tell me about yourself or your cat or whatever. And if you got an idea for a video, put video idea in capital letters at the beginning of your comment so I can find it easily. I love to hear what you want to learn about cat drawing. And if it's within my realm, then I'll do my best to get it on here. Just trying to get a hint of that cat tree in there. Yeah, and we'll put some whiskers on there. Final touches. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.